All right, let's take a look at the fourth root. So you see the little 4 here. We're doing the fourth root of 112. And so we start it just like we do anytime we're doing simplifying a radical. We're going to think of what can we multiply to get that number. And we're just trying to break it down into prime numbers. And so I'm going to grab calculator and let's just divide 112. You know, if you know something that it will divide by, that's great. I just know it's an even number, so I'm going to divide by 2 to start with. Okay, so 112 is 2 times 56. Well, let's see, 56, something that comes to mind for me is that it will divide by 7. I mean, 7 times 8 is 56. When I see 56, I think that could be 7 times 8. You could also divide it by 2, and we'll eventually get to the same answer. You could use 2 and 28 at that point. So it's up to you. In fact, I think I'll show it to you. Let's draw a line down the middle. Let's quickly 112. So if you did 2 times 56, and then you said, I'm going to do 2 times 28 here. Okay. So let's go back to the first one. Let's finish this. 2 is prime. I can't break it down further. 7 doesn't divide by anything, but 8 could be 2 times 4. And then 4, I can break that down. So let's bring down the 2, the 7, and the 2. And then 4 is 2 times 2. Okay. Over here, I've got a 2 and a 2, and then I've got 28. Well, since we're dividing by 2s, let's do that again. 2 times 14. Okay. 2 times 14. Well, then I've got these 2s, and then 14 is 2 times 7, right? So look at what we have at the end. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s over here, and I have 4 2s over here. And I have a 7 and a 7. So that helps me to see that I'm going to end up at the same place either way. The order of them doesn't matter because you're just multiplying. So let's go back and see how we're going to write our answer. We're doing the fourth root. That 4 tells you that you're looking for groups of 4 of the same number. And that works out nicely. We do have a 4 of the same thing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s, and I have a 7 that's left over here. 4 2s and a 7 that's left over. So either way, you're going to write one of the numbers to represent that group of 4. So we had 4 2s, so I'm going to write a 2 to represent the group, and then times the fourth root of whatever's left, and that's the 7. And so 2 times the fourth root of 7 is the simplified version of the fourth root of 112. All right, I hope that helps you. See you next time.